Oh, hello guys. For today's video, I will be showing you on how I peel my grapefruits. There it is. Here it is. This is how I peel my grapefruits, and it would be very easy to eat. My mother would normally peel this in a very different way, but when it comes to eating it, it's gonna be difficult. I've learned this in the UK because in the UK, I never really buy grapefruits like this. I would like the grapefruits that already peeled, and I tried to work it out why it was very easy to eat, and then I find out this is the way to do it. So this is how you're gonna do it, diba? This is the grapefruits, and then you'll just have to do this, you see, and then you will then pull that, and ta-da! Look at this, look at this. It's gonna be very easy to eat. No. Hey guys, here's my grapefruits. It's gonna be easy to eat. Ta-da!